Good afternoon, YouTube. Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we are going to be working with Hoyas, but not in the normal way. I am hopefully going to be replacing a couple like dual lights here with a brand new Hoya light, and we're going to see how this light does for these Hoyas here. So if you haven't seen my videos before, right now we are just in my little production area. Lots of stuff's going on in here, lots of messes as well. But here we have the box, and I'm hoping it is my new Spider Farmer SF-2000 light. It doesn't say actually on the box what it is, but the only other thing that I am expecting is a microwave, and this doesn't really look like a microwave to me. So we're going to unbox it right here, see what it looks like. I really am assuming it is a Spider Farmer light, and I'm looking forward to these guys. I haven't had a chance to play with them at all. Never touched one, never felt one. Seen the photos on Amazon and eBay and stuff like that, and they look really slick and cool. So I'm going to leave some links to where you can buy this light in the description. I'll just say that now while I remember. I'm going to put you in the tripod, and we're going to get to this. Let's see if I can do this all in one go. All right. So we got a backdrop of some Sarracenia seedlings here. I might have to pull you back just a little bit. Hopefully my mic cord isn't too tight. There we go, and hopefully it's not too bright in here. So let's have a look at this guy. So yes, what the plan for this guy is I'm going to put it into a 6 by 8 foot grow tent, indoor greenhouse, whatever you want to call it, to take over the two lights that I have in there right now. In theory, it's going to be less wattage. I only have to plug in one thing as opposed to two, and I really think that this is going to be a spectacular light. The Spider Farmer lights are clear spectrum, meaning they're not blurple. They're a nice full spectrum sunlight. You can photograph under them. You can take videos with them pretty easily. And yeah, so far it definitely is a light. I can see ballast in there. So the lights are very slim and light and very well packed. Hopefully I can get this out fairly easily here. Hold that box tight. Okay. There it is. Wow. So first impression, ultra thin. Thinner than I thought. We have our hanging kit here. Cord. I'm going to have to research why we have this cord here. Like I say, I've never actually played with them. Thick, heavy construction on the cord. Nice ballast on top. Let's get this out. For the size of the light, it is really light. Super solid aluminum. You're going to turn it over and look at that. Okay. There are the panels well secured onto a solid metal frame or aluminum housing, sort of. Looks like it's fully easily dimmable. Again, I haven't played around with these at all, so we're going to play around with this as well. Nice on-off switch. I'm not sure what the channel 1, channel 2 is. That must be to bridge between the two, maybe? We're going to find out together, I guess. So I'm going to set this guy here. And we are going to go get a plug-in because I wasn't that prepared ahead of time to have a plug-in ready for my unboxing LED video. So I'm going to pause this camera and go grab that. And then I'm excited to see this guy working. Okay, the power cord magically appeared there, and when I was grabbing the power cord, I looked in the box, and we have the instruction manual. It was really stuck to the inside of the box, like it's being glued there, accidentally, of course, but I had to like rip it out of the box, and so I had a quick look in there just to give a little bit more of an explanation, because this is, at this point, one of the more high-end lights I have ever had a chance to play around with. So we have the dimming knob like we thought, the light switch, the on-off. The dimmer switch is on the back of it. I don't know. right here. Let's see if we can get you up there. Right there. And yeah, the other question that we just had a minute ago is what is this for? And this is a simple way to daisy chain your lights together. So choose one as a main light, others as sub lights. Turn on the lights of A controls on off of B and C. So it is just a way to control all lights with one cord. You still would have to plug in each light individually, of course. So now that we know what that is, we don't need to worry about that for now because we're not daisy chaining anything together. Hopefully you can see the control panel itself pretty good. I have never had a dimmable light that was this easy to dim. Like, that's just going to be awesome. A lot of these lights, they don't even have an on-off switch. They just, you plug them in and away they go. So this one even has that. I'm going to try to untangle this cord here. And plug this guy in. There we go. So we have juice. It's obviously in the off position right now. That switch is off. The dimmer switch is on. But let's go. Oh, and there it is. Woohoo. And I wonder if the dimmer can dim it right now. Like, I don't know if you can see that on camera, but I just dimmed it. Super easy. That's awesome. Brighten it up. Holy, when it's on bright, it's bright. Wow. And so if I just switched with my thumb the dimmer switch off at the back. And there it is back on. So I have never had a dimmer switch like that before. That is just so easy to tweak and control. That's going to be so awesome. Wow. Look at that. You can see it glowing underneath the thing. And there it is off. So that is the test for the light. It definitely works. I'm excited to get this one hung up in with the Hoyas. It is such a beautiful looking light, and just it's so simple but so well built. Really amazing. You can just look at that for a minute. And other specifications for it. So it says it is 196 watts of power draw on it. Now I'm going to be using it in a much bigger space than they recommend, but Hoyas, you know what, aren't high light plants in the first place. But with this dimmer switch built in, I am going to be totally able to control exactly how bright I get it. So I'm really excited to get it hung up. I'm going to do that right now off camera. I'll show you a glimpse of it working, just so we can see what the light looks like together, and then I will do an update on this light in the near future. So again, I'm going to put the links to purchase this and look at it online in the description below. Thank you, Spider Farmer, for this awesome light. I'm super excited about it. I've really wanted to get my hands on one of these and play with one for a while now, and I'm happy I finally got the chance to. So I'm going to get hanging this light up now. Okay, so I just finished installing it. It went up super easy. I actually just strapped it to the top here and zip tie, whatever you guys want to call these things. I used, it would have stayed with just two, one on each side, but I used 4 plus 1 on the cord, so there's some safety here. The light is super light. I remember a couple years ago, an LED light like this would have like taken down this greenhouse. The poles just wouldn't have been strong enough. But the light is awesome in here, and I love the dimmer. Look at this. You can turn it like right down and right back up. Super easy from the knob on the side. I've never had such a handy dimmer switch ever on a light. I must say I'm totally impressed with this so far. It's sleek, it's light as a feather. The dimmer switch makes it just completely awesome, so I can really tweak it. Right now I'm going to start it on full strength, see if I need to go any dimmer. And yeah, but this is the Hoyas that are going to be enjoying the new Spider Farmer 2000 light. And yeah, we'll see how they do. So I'm going to give it a couple weeks. There's already lots of blooms in here, but let's just see how the Hoyas react to this. I'm hoping that they're going to love it. I really think they are. It looks gorgeous. So thank you again, Spider Farmer, for this light. we will definitely keep you updated on it. Let's give it a few weeks before we do an update video. I can't tell you how it's working if I don't know how it's working. But there's a Hoya Carya in bloom. And yeah, we'll do a tour next time. And we can see all the flowers, all the blooms on all the Hoya. So, alright guys, thanks for watching this video, and we will see you next time. Bye for now.